Good morning, YouTube DIYers. It's around 2020, Thanksgiving, November, end of November. Appliance time. This is the time of year when appliance deals are going on and people are upgrading stuff. And one of the things you see on the curb in the suburbs as people are doing their work are dishwashers. And if you raid dishwashers at the curb, you can make yourself one of these nice tubs. And these are handy, which I'll go over here in a few minutes. The dishwasher normally sits like this. The spinner wheelie thingy pump on the bottom, dishes here, glasses here. Bring home the at the curb for trash day dishwasher. Use a grinder and a cutoff wheel to cut the metal cage around it, remove the electronics and wiring harnesses, salvage whatever you may salvage if you're one of those guys. I am. Then you take the tub, it normally sits like this, you put it on its back, take a look-see as to where all the holes are, the penetrations on the side and on the top. This right here was the bottom. You can see the little thing right here. So when I cut this, and I cut it with a Sawzall, you're going to want to make sure that you use a fine-tooth blade with your Sawzall, because if you use a rough cut blade, you'll end up chipping the plastic. I was too lazy to change the blade, and this is the chipping that I got. The rest of it was actually cut with my table saw, with a finish cut blade on that table saw. Anywho. And then you can see that I've got about a 6-inch tub all the way around. There's a line I use to mark about how high it should be all the way around. But now I've got this nice 6-inch tub, and these things make excellent drain pans for radiator fluid changes, drain pans for transmission, oil pan drops. You know, you splash that stuff all over the place. You got a nice big catch-all. It's durable and they're free. You can see that I've rated quite a few dishwashers in the past. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in here, 5. I've got 3 or 4 in all the sheds, in each of the sheds. They're nice catch-alls for pieces and parts. This one over here, I saved the door plastic, or you can save the plastic that you cut off, and I well plugged. This used to be a hole. This was the hole for the pump and the drain assembly, and then there was another hole here. And so I welded these pieces of scrap in here so that I could get a higher tub. And there's also a weld hole on the other side of the other side of this tub for the top of the dishwasher. But there's other parts of the dishwasher you can use too. This is out of the interior door, and you can cut pieces depending on how the interior door of the tub is molded. You've got a nice little catch bin here for parts if you're disassembling a carburetor. It's got a nice little edge around it. Maybe cleaning, kerosene, you can slop in here. The same thing here. And the nice thing about these, if you can mix paint or Bondo or filler or whatever, is that after you're done with it you can throw it away, because somebody's always throwing a dishwasher away, and this stuff is, you know, delivered to your door practically with a little bit of work at disassembly. Anywho, thought I'd give a little pointer on free tubs and how handy they are. We'll talk to you later. Bye.